Can financial markets be controlled? You may have heard that the stock market is a big scam and it's all manipulated by the big players. But financial markets such as stock markets, bond markets, and currency markets are decentralized as a whole, but they do operate based on supply and demand of the participants in the market. It is very difficult to control the overall direction of the financial markets over the long term, but they are influenced by a wide variety of factors. This includes economic conditions, company performance, and global events. Central banks such as the Federal Reserve in the US do have some ability to influence financial markets through monetary policy tools such as interest rate adjustments and quantitative easing. These tools can be used to stabilize the economy but keep inflation in check. But they do not directly control the stock market or other financial markets. As we have seen recently, the Federal Reserve has been increasing interest rates at a faster pace than nearly any time in history. Inflation still hasn't really slowed down as much as they'd hoped. Governments may also influence financial markets through fiscal policy measures such as tax changes, spending, and regulations. However, these measures do not control the market but rather affect the market conditions and the behavior of the market participants. In addition, some market participants such as hedge funds, institutional investors, and high net worth investors may have more control over market movements due to their significant financial resources and ability to move large amounts of capital. There is a good case to be made that one company could be manipulated by a large participant. However, it's important to know that even these market participants have limited control over the overall direction of the market. This is why diversifying your investments across asset classes and risk levels is so important. While certain actors such as central banks and governments can influence financial markets, it is not possible to fully control them as they are driven by the collective actions of millions of market participants. The way we recommend looking at the financial markets is not as a casino, but more like an information processing machine. Each day there are thousands of analysts taking into account all available data, and then that data is all brought together and priced into the current price of any security. Due to the vast amount of information publicly available, this makes individual stock picking and market manipulation very difficult as a whole, and why there is no evidence available showing that market timing or stock picking is a better strategy than simply owning a market-based portfolio and holding for the long term. If you'd like to discuss your portfolio, we'd be happy to speak with you. You can go to keepitsimplefinancial.com and we're happy to help you there.